Hey there, quiz lovers. Welcome back to Quizzer Book. Let's dive straight into today's quiz. Don't forget to keep track of your score and let us know how you did in the comments below. We love hearing from you. And if you like video, do subscribe Quizzer Book. Total questions 10. You have 15 seconds for each question. You can pause the video if you need more time. Wish you the best of luck. Let's start. Choose the correct sentence. She to the market every day. Identify the correct past tense. He the race yesterday. Fill in the blank. If I rich, I would travel the world. Choose the correct article. He bought apple from the store. Identify the correct preposition. The book is the table. Choose the correct form. She cooking when I arrived. Which sentence is grammatically correct? Fill in the blank. The sun in the east. Identify the correct sentence. I have been waiting 2 hours. Choose the correct conjunction. He worked hard, he failed. And that's it for today's quiz. How did you do? Did you get all the answers right? Or were some of them tricky? Let me know your score in the comments. I'd love to hear how you did. If you had fun, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe so you won't miss any more quizzes in the future. Thanks for joining in, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep learning and stay awesome.